Here's how to remove emojis from your Android keyboard. Now, if you're on your Android phone and you're using the Google Gboard, you'll be able to see right next to the space bar is that emoji keyboard, and you might accidentally tap it. To get rid of it, we need to get into the settings of your Gboard. So you're looking for that gear icon right there. If you don't see it, just tap on the 4 squares at the top left and then find the gear icon. Now, after you're in the settings of your Google Gboard, tap on Preferences at the top, and then scroll down, and here's Emoji Key Access, the emoji key with a dedicated key. All you need to do is toggle this off. And now if you go back out of here, you can see it no longer has that dedicated emoji keyboard key, but you can see next to the comma is the emoji. I can press and hold on it and then tap on emoji to get to it. And then, of course, tap ABC to get back to the normal keyboard if you wanted to get to it. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your comment down below with your feedback. I'm curious to hear, was this legitimately helpful for you, or are you still running into issues on your Android phone? Thanks, guys.